Stem and leaf plots are a new type of graph. We've looked at dot plots, column graphs, histograms, polygons. This is a new one. It's a really simple one where we just actually write the numbers and they form the graph themselves.
That's so exciting.
But we do split the numbers into two parts, the stem and the leaf. For this question, our stem is going to be our tens digit and our leaf is going to be our units digit. So we have stem and leaf. Now, if I look at these numbers, what different numbers do I have in the tens digits?
What?
I have
2, 3, and 1.
1, 2, and 3. They're the only numbers in the tens digits. So my stems are 1, 2, and 3. Is everyone happy with that?
That is crazy.
Shh. Did you get that, Betty?
That's mess.
Where did 1, 2, and 3 come from? They're my tens digits. Okay?
What?
Yeah. No, I just
So these were the 10 digits. You guys missed one though.
I didn't.
5,
0.
6, 4.
4.
I said that.
Okay?
I was all rows.
There was 4. There was a 4 as
April
well.
Fool.
So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now the leaf is the units. So 27, I've already written the stem as there. That tells me it's 20. The leaf would be 7.
Cool.
So I read that as 27. I've done that one.
Yeah.
Oh, mind blowing.
Now for 32, next to the stem of 3, I write a 2. So that's 32.
Could you please stop doing it?
Now the next one's 24. So I go back here and I'm going to put a 4 here. So that tells me I have a 27 and a 24.
Oh.
37.
Really exciting.
I know. 14.
Please slow down, miss.
It was on a timeline.
28.
Oh my days.
48. 36. 25.
11.
11.
24.
24.
32.
32. Alright, what I have just created
You're
is
way
an
too fast at this.
unordered stem and leaf plot. No. You need to know that each of them is a separate number, so you don't need to put commas. Okay, that's part of understanding the graph. Now this is an unordered stem and leaf plot. We're actually not supposed to draw unordered stem and leaf plots,
I was
but
waiting for 5 minutes.
So it's 4, 4, 5,
it's going
7,
to
8.
be a lot easier to draw an ordered stem and leaf plot if you jot these numbers down first. So if I put a proper stem and leaf plot, I actually have to put them in order.
Are you for real?
But it's going to be much easier considering that I already have these. So looking at the tens, I have it 14 and 11. So it's really easy to put them in order. It's just going to be the 1 and the 4. So I've still got the same stems. I just need to put the leaves in order. So this will be 1, 4. This one, when I put that in order, what's it going to be?
4, 4, 5, 8, 7, 8. I couldn't count.
Yeah.
4, 4, 5,
Count, Matthew.
7,
Don't agree
8.
with
This one?
2, 2,
2,
7.
2, 6, 7. Well done.
I don't love you, Matthew.
And the last one's just an 8. So this is an ordered stem and leaf plot.
That's crazy.
Okay? Now, ordered stem and leaf plots, we can do our same calculations as we always have been. We can work out our mode, our median, our mean, and our range by looking at it.
That looks so much neater.
So it's just an easier way of summarising our information. What is the range? Who remembers what that is?
The highest minus the lowest.
Highest minus lowest. So for this question, it would be
7.
48 minus
14.
11.
Oh.
So 48 is the highest, 14 is the lowest.
37.
37.
Start from the bottom, that would be 40.
48 minus 11. Okay, another one that they particularly like to ask on stem and leaf plots is the median. Actually, let's talk about mode first. What's the mode for this data?
What is mode?
What's mode?
Oh, mode is most common score.
Most common score.
And
What's
it's
the most
2.
There's 2. If there are 2 modes, that's okay. We're allowed to have 2 modes. In fact, it's called bimodal. If I had 3, it's called
Definitely
multimodal.
what I meant.
So you can have more than one answer. So the mode has 2 answers. Bryce, eyes to the board. If there's 2 answers and you only gave me 1, I'm not going to give you full marks, okay? You need to tell me if there's 2 answers. The 2 answers are what? 24 and 32. So there are 2 modes.
How did you find that?
Because there was 2 of them and 2 of them. There's only 1 of everything else. Because remember, mode is most
Oh,
common.
most common one.
Alright, the next one we're going to look at is the median.
That is middle score. Must
Middle
be in
score.
order or average of 2 middle scores.
Now, I already put them in order here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cross off highest, smallest, highest, smallest, highest,
24.
smallest until I find the
Wait,
middle
it's
one.
not.
Does that taste good?
So this is the,
What did you
sorry.
do?
Hey!
That's the
I
highest.
think it's 28.
And I crossed it. Shh. Let's not guess. So can you see across the highest score off with the lowest score? What's the next highest score?
4 and 7.
37.
Yes.
And I'm crossing off with 14. Then I'm crossing a 36 off with a 24. 32 with a 24.
7.
32
27.
with a 25. And I'm left with
27. So 27.5.
So it's going to be 27.5. Well done.
Thank you. That's what I did for miss.
Why 27.5? Because that's the average of 27 and 28. No, because I've crossed off 5 above and 5 below, and there was 2 left in the middle. Okay? You happy with that? It's because there was an even number of scores. I didn't get 1 in the middle. If there was an odd number of scores, I would have had 1 in the middle. What's the only thing I'm missing?
Average.
Good attitude.
Actually, I'm missing 2
Mean.
things.
Mean.
Mean.
Yeah,
How do I find the mean?
I don't know. Oh, it's average.
Average.
Divide by how many there are.
Alright, let's practice our calculator work again.
yes.
Oh, yeah. Yay.
How about
Alright.
Sorry, mine's bad.
Shift stat. Let's go to our data. Let's put them in. What have we got? 11. 14.
21.
24. Don't confuse me.
24.
69.
25. 27.
35.
28. 32.
Hang on. I stuffed my
Oh, come on, miss.
25. That should have been 27.
35.
28. I'm done.
32.
32.
32. 36. 37. 49.
Alright, we've got them all in.
Yep.
So I press AC to get out of this screen. Shift 1 gives me variables, which is 4. I want X bar. And I get
28.16.
28.16 repeater, which would be 28.2 to 1 decimal place.
Yep.
What's the other thing we learned about new the other day? We learned a new measure of spread. Not range, what was it?
Ranger.
We learned a new measure of spread. It wasn't range, it was something range.
Interquartile range.
Interquartile range, well done. Alright, so an interquartile range, quiet, we needed to find 1 quarter and 3 quarters. Quiet.
Is this recorded?
So this is halfway. Is everyone happy that that's halfway?
Yes.
Yes.
I need to find 1 quarter, which would be halfway here. So I've got 6 scores here. Where's halfway here?
7.5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So halfway would be here. So what's Q1? 1 quarter? 24. So if I'm looking for interquartile range, so it's going to have my Q1 is going to be 24. Looking at the top half, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 scores. Where's halfway?
In between the 22 and 6.
In between here. Is everyone happy with that?
Yes.
So Q1 is 24. Q3 is what? 34. Halfway between 32 and 36 would be 34.
Yeah.
Nick? Don't talk. So 3 quarters is of the way is 34. 1 quarter is 24. So our interquartile range
I've never done this before.
is that we did this the other day,
Yeah.
which equals 10. So the interquartile range is 10. So we just found all our statistics from our stem and leaf
And it
plots.
wasn't even filming.
It wasn't even filming.
Don't stop filming.